Hi student, in today's lecture we discuss the twisted pair of the cable. In previous lecture we discussed the coaxial cable. The coaxial cable, it is nothing but the two conductor sharing a common axis, and the coaxial cable, it is having the highest data transmission speed, that is a bandwidth. The cost of the coaxial cable is low as compared to the fiber optic cable, but attenuation is low as compared to the twisted pair cable. In today's lecture we discuss the twisted pair of the cable. Twisted pair of the cable, it is nothing but two cables are twisting with each other, and there is a center conductor. That is, the two cables are twisted with each other. That is a twisted pair of the cable, and these cables are wrapped around by using the insulator. That is a conductor. In a twisted pair of the cable, there is a two cables are twisting with each other. So it is called as a twisted pair of the cable. There is a conductor which is made up of a copper, mostly copper wire or the copper metal. These conductors are used to conducting the data materials. These are the conductors, and these two wires are wrapping with each other. There is an insulator. These are the insulating jacket. Two cables are the wrapping with each other, so there is a insulating jacket around that is the conductor. So it is called as a twisted pair of the cable. Okay, there is a center conductor or the conductor which is made up of the mostly copper wires, and around that the copper wire there is a insulating jacket or placed, or jacket are wrapped around that the conductor, and there is a structure is made up of the twisting. So it is called as a twisted pair of the cable. This cable, it is used to short distance. Mostly this cable is used to data transmission between a short distance. Next, what is the advantages of that the cable? Twisted pair cable. What is the advantages of that the cable? It is inexpensive as compared to the coaxial cable and fiber optic cable. First advantages is it is inexpensive as compared to the coaxial cable and fiber optic cable. Second advantages is it reduces the cross-talking. The cross-talking, it is nothing but electromagnetic interference occur in the transmission media, and in this the twisted pair cable, mostly STP cable, reduce the cross-talking because around that these two cables are insulating jacket or press the insulating jacket, so it reduce the cross-talking. Next one, it reduce also the EMI, electromagnetic interference, can be reduced by using twisted pair of the cable. That is a common advantages of that the twisted pair of the cable. What is the disadvantages of that the cable? Mostly disadvantages is it is used in a short distance. Why it is used in a short distance? Because there in a UTP cable there is not a shield. So attenuation and EMI can be occur, and this cable can be used for a short distance. That is the main disadvantages of that the twisted pair of the cable.